Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala Banderas, para sa ating programang Biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Dire-diretso din ang ating usapan sa ating hashtag, Biyaheng Nasaktan. Alam mo, kabisyo, the truth is, everybody is going to hurt you. You just have to find the ones worth hurting for, okay? Walang kasiguraduhan kasi na hindi ka masasaktan sa isang relationship. Ang kaya mo lang kontrolin ay yung patuloy na masaktan sa tamang dahilan. Kasi may mga tao naman talagang worth fighting for eh. May mga hirap, may mga pain na worth going through for. Katulad na lang ng road to success, mahirap pero sulit. Katulad na lang ng road to forever, mahirap pero worth it. Kaya sa mga kabisyo natin, kung nasasaktan kayo, just make sure that yung source ng pain ninyo is the same source ng happiness ninyo. Kumbaga kahit papano, balanse. Meron kayong moments of being down or feeling down at meron din naman kayong up moments. Yung mga moments na para kayong on a high sa sobrang saya. Dapat ganon, kabisyo. But if everything in that relationship na meron ka right now is downhill, puro negative, puro pain, puro hurting each other, ibig sabihin that one is not worth it anymore. So again, the truth is everybody's going to hurt you, but you just have to find the ones worth hurting for. And we are moving forward with our hashtag Biyaheng Nasaktan. Alam nyo, kabisyo, no one can continually insult or hurt your feelings without your permission. Lagi mo yang tatandaan na walang sino man ang makakapanakit sa'yo, makakainsulto sa'yo nang hindi mo hinahayaan. Kaya wag mong hayaan maging definition ng pagkatao mo yung nangyari sa nakaraan mo. Walang nabubuhay dito sa mundo na malinis ang track record. So kung nagkamali ka, people cannot constantly smack that down to your face. Hindi nila pwedeng paulit-ulitin sa iyo yung pagkakamali mo, kasi kaya nga tayo may tinatawag na lessons in life, learnings in life, new beginnings, second chances. Kaya tayo may tinatawag na ganyan kasi lahat tayo may karapatan sa bagong simula. Kaya do not let people hurt you over and over again nor insult you for the past wrong things you've done in life. Kasi wala po talagang tao dito sa mundo na hindi nagkakamali. Tandaan mo yan, okay? Again, no one can continually insult you or hurt your feelings without your permission. So never allow them to hurt you. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, before I move on to more of our music, dire-diretso din ang ating paalala. Guys, if we really want this pandemic to be over, we have to work together. Kaya please, pray for our nation. Please, seryosohin natin to. And please, sumunod tayo sa utos ng barangay. Okay? Now we are moving forward with our hashtag Biyaheng Nasaktan. Alam nyo, kabisyo, sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit ba kailangan masaktan pa, bakit kailangan pagdaanan nyo yung mga moments na niloloko kayo, iniiwan kayo, kasi kabisyo, you need to understand that hurt or pain has a purpose. This is to remind you that what you are feeling and what you are doing in life is something real. Therefore, it hurts because it matters. Kung nasaktan ka ng dahil sa nakaraan, it is because totoo siya, hindi siya peke. What you had is real, therefore, your learnings from it is valuable. Kaya nga ang mga tao tumatanda with wisdom eh. Sila yung mga taong kadalasan nadapa, kadalasan may kwentong masalimuot, but then again, lahat kasi ng learnings nila, they took it by heart. They processed everything and made something beautiful out of it. That's what you call wisdom or learnings and lessons. Tapos, they pass it on from their generation to generations to generations. Kaya ikaw, kabisyo, kung medyo samkay na naiinis ka sa dami ng pinagdadaanan mo, nalulungkot ka kasi sobrang sakit nung napagdaanan mo, remember, it's just a phase. A phase kung saan makakakuha ka ng great learnings from. Learnings that you can pass on. Kaya again, kung nagtatanong ka kung bakit kailangan nating masaktan, kung bakit kailangan nyo yung pagdaanan, just remember, everything that you can feel is indeed something real. So maybe that pain, that negative moment of your life, it hurts because it matters. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, kasama nyo pa rin si DJ Lala moving forward with our hashtag biyaheng nasaktan, mga learnings na mga taong naranasan ang masalimuot na nakaraan. Yun, no? Dito lang sa aking programang Biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Lover Radio, GVGV lang. Walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one. SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.